Now we want to create a complex project notification. At the end of our previous demonstration, we did not select to enter a complex project notification after creating the project. In this scenario, we're going to create it now. To do so, find the project that you want to enter. Go over to Edit. The project will be brought up where you'll be able to see in gray the project area. You'll scroll down and click Create Project Ticket. We now want to create our complex project meeting notification inside this project. For our ticket type, we want excavation. For our ticket class, we want to do a complex project meeting. Click Create Ticket. First, we will update our ticket geometry. We will draw a new ticket polygon. Remember, this is our complex project, and we can either use the entire boundary that was before, or we can use a new boundary for our complex project notification. If the contractor went in and set up the initial project, most likely this information will be the same. If a project owner has already created a project, it is possible that your boundary will not match the boundary of the project owner, for you may only have phase 1 or phase 2 of the project that they are trying to perform. For our illustration purposes, we're going to use the same boundary for our complex project. You will then go down and enter the description of your work site, including the bounding streets or the starting and ending points. Here you need to describe the boundary that goes around the entire project that you want to do a complex notification for. In this case, it should be the entire boundary that we are shown in the map here. You need to describe this in words so that everybody understands what the boundaries are. You'll enter the work type and if a meeting is required. If a meeting is required, you will continue on and put that information in. If no meeting is required, you'll see that the questions that are down below have changed. If you are not holding a meeting, you need to specify the reason. Please remember that whether holding a meeting or not, no excavation can start within 10 days after this notification of a complex project. For our purposes, we are going to hold a meeting. You will put in the proposed meeting date, the time, and the meeting location. In the meeting location, please be sure to specify exactly where the meeting will take place. Street address, building location, name. Also provide a contact, if different than down below, in order for anyone who's attending the meeting to get additional information. Please also note at this point that the project owner and the designer are not notified through PA1 call. It is the contractor's responsibility by law to notify the project owner designer of this meeting and that they are required to attend. You'll enter in your caller information, excavator information, your on-site contacts, best times to call, email addresses, job numbers, PennDOT permit numbers, and any additional remarks. When you're finished, you can click Create Ticket. Notifications will be sent out